Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready: your Eut account credentials, the server address, and a compatible client installed. Once done, open the client and choose the connection type your provider requires. This matters because different protocols handle stability and speed differently. Make sure your network is active and not behind a captive portal. If it is, complete that login first. You should also note your current local IP and DNS settings, so you can confirm the VPN changed them after connection. Now you configure the client step by step. Enter the server address, port, and select UDP or TCP based on provider guidance, because UDP is faster while TCP is more reliable. Import any OVPN file or certificate files the Eut provider supplied. These are required for authentication in many setups. Next, configure DNS behavior and enable a kill switch and auto-reconnect so traffic stops on disconnect and the client recovers automatically. Once configured, finally verify the connection. Check your public IP and run a DNS leak test to confirm traffic flows through the Eut tunnel. Make sure you can reach resources that require the VPN. If the connection fails, examine client logs for authentication or TLS errors. Often wrong credentials or a blocked port is the cause. Try switching protocol or port, restart the client, or reboot the device. If problems persist, collect the log snippets and contact Eut support so they can diagnose server-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.